Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz 2020. You are watching the fifth match in round one, the first in this evening's doubleheader. Scores are Spanish Town High on 6 points, Wolmer's Boys ahead on 41. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast, clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And we begin with Bible knowledge. There were 2 men who never died in the Bible. Elijah was one. Who was the Wolmer's Boys?
Enoch.
That's right. Biology. What is the tube-like elongated mouth part of a butterfly called? Wolmer's Boys.
Proboscis.
Good. English language. Spell aqueous. Wolmer's Boys.
Aqueous.
AQUIEASE.
Incorrect. AQUEOUS. International affairs. Look on the screen and identify this person, please. Wolmer's Boys.
Vladimir Putin.
Russian president. Correct. Chemistry. The electrolysis of sodium chloride in water produces hydrogen, chlorine, and what else? Wolmer's.
Oxygen.
Sodium hydroxide. Incorrect. Music and audio clip teams. Listen to the following clip and identify this group. Wolmer's Boys.
That learning.
The Fugees.
Correct. General knowledge. Which German city is famous for the perfume it produces? Wolmer's Boys.
Cologne.
Correct. Spanish. Translate the following sentence to English. ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? Wolmer's.
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
Excellent. Geography. All the surface features of a piece of land may be represented on a single map. What is the collective term for these features? Wolmer's Boys.
Topography.
Topography. Correct. Theater and cinema, a visual one. Teams, look at the screen and identify this person, please.
Aquafina.
Wolmer's Boys.
Aquafina.
Correct. Information technology. What did IBM call its pencil eraser pointing device protruding from the center of portable keyboards? Track point. History. What French emperor was notorious for both his height and his temper? Wolmer's.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Correct. Mathematics. Residential lots of lands are advertised as follows. Down payment, $420,000. Monthly payment, $85,000. What will be the total cost to a person who pays for his lot by making a down payment followed by 10 monthly installments?
So 1 times 10, 850,000 plus 420,000.
1,270,000. Physics. What is the value in SI units of the constant of proportionality big G in Newton's law of universal gravitation? Wolmer's.
9.8 meter per second squared.
9.8 meter per second squared.
That's incorrect. 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11 meters cubed per kilogram second squared. Sport or visual one teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's Boys.
Chris Gayle.
That's correct. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican high school is located on lands once operated as a hotel by the Spanish town?
TVJ High School.
TVJ High School.
Very good. Boston Fruit Company. French. Translate the following sentence to English. Où habitez-vous? Wolmer's.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Very good. Literature. Who wrote the poem Traveling Through the Dark? William Stafford. Art. Which artist is responsible for the work Guernica, The Weeping Wolmer's Boys?
Pablo Picasso.
Correct. Bible knowledge. What name did Jacob give to the place where he wrestled with the Wolmer's Boys?
Peniel.
With an angel. Correct. Biology. What property of liquid water is responsible for it having a higher boiling point than other liquids of a similar molecular weight? Hydrogen bonding between water molecules. English language. Give a 5-letter verb starting with P, which means to arouse one's interest. Wolmer's Boys.
Peak.
Good. International affairs. Hassan Rouhani is the president of Wolmer's Boys.
Iran.
Very good. Chemistry. What color in a flame test indicates the presence of potassium? And we won't have time for anyone to buzz in for that one. It is lilac, pale violet, or light purple. That is the end of the final challenge for this first match. And the end of the first match. Scores look to be Wolmer's Boys on 65 points, Spanish Town High on 8. We will double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages. Stay with us.